Want to improve your English vocabulary? In this video, you'll learn 100 most common English words with meanings and examples. The words are easy, useful, and used in everyday conversations. Let's begin. House. House means a place where people live. Example: I live in a small house. Family. Family means people related to you. Example: I love my family. Friend. Friend means someone you like and trust. Example: he is my best friend. School. School means a place where students learn. Example: I go to school every day. Teacher. Teacher means a person who teaches students. Example: my teacher is kind. Student. Student means a person who learns in school. Example: she is a good student. Job. Job means work to earn money. Example: he has a good job. Money. Money means what we use to buy things. Example: I need money. Food. Food means things we eat. Example: I like spicy food. Water. Water is a drink we need to live. Example: drink clean water. Coffee. Coffee is a hot drink made from beans. Example: I drink coffee in the morning. Tea. Tea is a popular hot drink. Example: she likes tea. Car. Car is a vehicle for traveling. Example: I have a car. Bus. Bus is a big public vehicle. Example: I go by bus. Train. Train is a long rail vehicle. Example: the train is fast. Phone. Phone is a device to call people. Example: I use my phone daily. Computer. Computer is an electronic machine for work. Example: I work on a computer. Internet. Internet is a global network. Example: I use the internet every day. Book. Book is pages with information or stories. Example: I read a book. Pen. Pen is a tool for writing. Example: I write with a pen. Table. Table is furniture with a flat top. Example: the book is on the table. Chair. Chair is something you sit on. Example: sit on the chair. Bed. Bed is used for sleeping. Example: I sleep on my bed. Room. Room is part of a house. Example: my room is clean. Door. Door is used to enter or exit. Example: close the door. Window. Window is glass opening in a wall. Example: open the window. Kitchen. Kitchen is where we cook food. Example: she is in the kitchen. Bathroom. Bathroom is where we wash. Example: the bathroom is clean. Garden. Garden is an area with plants. Example: flowers grow in the garden. Office. Office is a place to work. Example: he goes to the office. Child. Child means a young person. Example: the child is playing. Parent. Parent means mother or father. Example: my parents are kind. Brother. Brother means male sibling. Example: I have a brother. Sister. Sister means female sibling. Example: she is my sister. Husband. Husband means married man. Example: her husband is nice. Wife. Wife means married woman. Example: his wife is kind. Baby. Baby means very young child. Example: the baby is sleeping. Neighbor. Neighbor means person living near you. Example: my neighbor is friendly. Customer. Customer means person who buys things. Example: the customer is happy. Manager. Manager means person in charge. Example: he is the manager. Morning. Morning is early part of the day. Example: I wake up in the morning. Afternoon. Afternoon is middle of the day. Example: we eat lunch in the afternoon. Evening. Evening is late part of the day. Example: I walk in the evening. Night. Night is dark time of day. Example: I sleep at night. Day. Day is 24-hour period. Example: today is a good day. Week. Week is 7 days. Example: I study all week. Month. Month is about 30 days. Example: January is a month. Year. Year is 12 months. Example: this year is good. Time. Time means hours and minutes. Example: what time is it? Minute. Minute is 60 seconds. Example: wait 1 minute. Love. Love means deep affection. Example: I love my family. Happiness. Happiness means feeling of joy. Example: she feels happiness. Anger. Anger means strong feeling of dislike. Example: he shows anger. Fear. Fear means feeling scared. Example: I feel fear. Hope. Hope means expecting good things. Example: I hope for success. Dream. Dream means thoughts during sleep. Example: I had a dream. Problem. Problem means something difficult. Example: I have a problem. Answer. Answer means reply to a question. Example: give the answer. Idea. Idea means a thought or plan. Example: I have an idea. Decision. Decision means final choice. Example: I made a decision. Work. Work means doing a job. Example: I go to work. Study. Study means to learn. Example: I study English. Learn. Learn means gain knowledge. Example: I want to learn. Read. Read means look at words. Example: I read books. Write. Write means put words on paper. Example: I write a letter. Speak. Speak means say words. Example: I speak English. Listen. Listen means hear carefully. Example, listen to me. Watch. Watch means look carefully. Example, I watch TV. Think. Think means use your mind. Example, I think a lot. Remember. Remember means keep in mind. Example, I remember you. Buy. Buy means get by paying money. Example, I buy food. Sell. Sell means give for money. Example, he sells cars. Pay. Pay means give money. Example, I pay the bill. Earn. Earn means get money from work. Example, I earn money. Save. Save means keep for later. Example, I save money. Spend. Spend means use money. Example, I spend money. Open. Open means make something not closed. Example, open the door. Close. Close means shut something. Example, close the window. Start. Start means begin. Example, start the work. Finish. Finish means complete. Example, I finish my work. Walk. Walk means move on foot. Example, I walk daily. Run. Run means move fast. Example, he can run fast. Drive. Drive means control a vehicle. Example, I drive a car. Travel. Travel means go places. Example, I love to travel. Visit. Visit means go see someone. Example, I visit my friend. Meet. Meet means come together. Example, I meet him. Help. Help means assist someone. Example, help me please. Call. Call means contact by phone. Example, I call my mother. Wait. Wait means stay for something. Example, wait here. Arrive. Arrive means reach a place. Example, I arrive home. Beautiful. Beautiful means very nice to see. Example, she is beautiful. Important. Important means having value. Example, this is important. Different. Different means not the same. Example, we are different. Easy. Easy means not hard. Example, this is easy. Difficult. Difficult means hard. Example, this is difficult. Strong. Strong means powerful. Example, he is strong. Weak. Weak means not strong. Example, I feel weak. Healthy. Healthy means in good condition. Example, I am healthy. Successful. Successful means achieving goals. Example, he is successful. Famous. Famous means known by many people. Example, he is famous. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.